Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I made a video, but we have a big update, big life update. Huh, Rocky? My man is back home, so babe. Yeah. Look who it is, everybody. He made it back home to us. So we're gonna vlog today. We're gonna actually go take my son to the dentist, our son, and we're gonna go in his new whip that he just got yesterday. So I'm gonna let you guys see that. And basically that's all we're doing today. Probably go to a meeting and that's it. I'll have to go back to work. So we're just gonna bring you along with us today. He doesn't know how to act in front of the camera. It looks like it's a nice day out here, but it is freezing. And trash is in the way. This is the baby's new whip. We got a Altima. So good. Can I get a ride? Yeah. He's all happy he got a new ride. We got the backup camera. Hey, we ain't never had a nice ass car, so it's nice to have that, huh?
So we're gonna put some rims on this and put the bumps in.
Oh, bumps and rims, huh? By the house. Yeah, go pick up the Z's now. There's up here. And Bubba got an owie.
At Shane Company, they really took the
Got ice on his leg. Put your seatbelt all the way on, buddy.
We got to see a Shane Company diamond.
We're going to the dentist.
The Shane Company diamond
Fix that grill.
so much more.
You get to see the difference with your own eyes.
And it was also important to me to have a conflict-free diamond. I wanted to be able to look at my ring and feel good.
Send you those pictures.
Come on. No, don't walk on the ice. Gotta press 3.
Number 3, number 3.
We're fast, okay? Do you think you can help me with that? Okay, open super big. Put your chin up. And can you bite down right there? Okay, 3 seconds. Bite down for 3 seconds. Don't move one. Oh, bite down 3 seconds. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Okay. You just need quarters? Oh, we need quarters. Okay. We need quarters.
Aren't you cold, buddy? Zip up your coat.
What is that? Did our door close?
You leave the front door open?
No. Or I don't know. That's weird.
Tired of your shit.
Okay, let's go get this. Hey, good morning. So my phone ran out of storage yesterday when we were trying to vlog. So that's a lot of reason why I haven't been making videos too, because I don't have a camera and my phone doesn't have the greatest memory capacity. Anyway, so it's morning time. I'm working and I just wanted to end the vlog since I wasn't able to last night. I had to delete a bunch of stuff off of my phone. But yeah, it's kind of lame, kind of short, but I'll try to make more videos. I just wanted to do an update and say my husband is home and I'm really, really happy. We're doing really well. He's getting back on his feet and it's just nice to have him back home. So anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully soon. Bye.
Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girls in the club, they getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks